Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies women gave themselves a slim chance of advancing to the ICC 50 Over World Cup after beating Bangladesh women by 3 wickets in their fourth qualifying game in Lahore this morning. Set 228 runs to win, the Caribbean women got to victory at 228 for 7. Jamaican Chanel Henry top scored with an unbeaten 51, while former captain Stephanie Taylor made 36. Skipper Hayley Matthews made 33, while Kiana Joseph contributed 31 at the top against Marufa Akhtar 2 for 38. No earlier, Bangladesh posted 227 for 9 batting first. Sharmin Akhtar led the way with 67, while opener Fargana Haq made 42. Nahida Akhtar 25 and Rabia Khan 23 not out also added some late runs for the Bangladeshis. Alia Elaine bagged 4 for 39, while there were 2 wickets each for Hayley Matthews and Afi Fletcher. The Caribbean women will play their final game against Thailand on Saturday. Legendary Jamaican West Indies fast bowler Courtney Walsh says he was surprised when former Test coach Andre Coley's contract was not renewed by Cricket West Indies. It was announced in December that Coley would be replaced by Darren Sammy as coach of the Test team following the end of the Test Championship cycle in March. Speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill on Wednesday, the former record holder for most wickets in Tests noted that the achievements of the team under Coley, where they earned a Test victory in Australia for the first time since 1997 and a first Test win in Pakistan for 34 years, should not have been overlooked.
I don't know where we're going to go with the next Test. Yeah, it's not something I've given a lot of thought, to be quite honest, because I was a little bit surprised when Craig stepped on, but I could understand after. I was a bit surprised when Andre Coley was moved. I know we weren't as successful as a lot of people would have liked, but you have a big wins in Australia and then in Pakistan that we haven't done. So there were strides or progress being made.
Excelsior High won their 9th ASA Tip Friendly Society Schoolgirls football title after clipping Homewood Technical 1-0 in the final on Wednesday. It took a 49th minute penalty from Destiny Powell in her last game for Excelsior to decide the game. Speaking after the match, assistant coach Theodore Leon says credit must be given to Homewood Technical for the way they played.
It's a great feeling to win our 9th title. To be honest, I have to give Homewood their praises. They came, they worked really hard, and they challenged us. Our defenders, they stood out for us. They kept the clean sheet, and that is what allowed us to win the game.
Meanwhile, first-time semi-finalists Merle Grove claimed 3rd after a 3-1 win over Garvey Maceo. And finally, Mount Pleasant FA could secure top-of-the-table honours in the Rain FA Jamaica Premier League when they take on Arnett Gardens in a rescheduled match at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex this evening at 7:30. Mount Pleasant, who are on 81 points from 34 games, are a point from being the regular season winners. Not that it matters, the coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore.
Well, again, won the regular season, not winning the overall competition would make no sense. So we just have to focus on the main target, and the main target, we just want to take it one step at a time. So we have made one step closer to where we want to be.
We have to put this behind us as quickly as possible. It's going to it's another tough game on Thursday, and we have to put this behind us to get something out of the game on Thursday.
In the opening match at 5 p.m, Racing United will look to move to within a point of 6th place Waterhouse as they hunt a win against Cavalier FC at 5 p.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thanks, Renardo Brown. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.